That's all right. So I'm in the restroom with this, so everybody can see it's dark outside with my Gsxr. But I have a Gsxr 750, right? I bought off a dude. I checked everything. It has the fluids, the motor and stuff, crank and everything. Everything turns on it, so the motor's not blown. But a concerning thing about it is the bike's not firing up. So I went trying to jump the starter to the battery, just cranks and everything. That's about it. So it's not getting either spark or gas, and the starter button doesn't work. So I'm thinking it's either this or it's my computer. What makes me think it's my computer is I hit it with my multimeter, right, where the rectifier is, and the rectifier is burnt out. It doesn't work. And when the guys were showing me the bike, they had it jumped to a truck battery. So I think they burnt out the computer, and if that's the case, that would explain why the voltage is cutting off. Probably, I haven't tested it yet, but it's probably from the ignition to the computer, it's cutting off, and it's not giving power to the ignition fuse, right? And that's not activating this, so power is getting cut off before it gets to here. So I'm thinking the computer's no good. A part in the inside got fried when they did that, and they had it run, like they turned the truck on and everything. So I think they fried the computer a long time ago. So I think the computer's fried. I'm pretty sure they did it a few times, so the computer's probably fried. The rectifier doesn't work, it's gone, so it has to get a new rectifier. I believe the stator's good. There's no grounding being indicated on my multimeter, so I think the stator is still good. But I know this is gone. This has to get replaced, and I'm pretty sure the computer is gone. But I don't want to spend money on a computer and all this stuff, and I'm wrong about it, so I'm probably gonna just put it on a truck and take it to the shop and swallow my pride and see what they say. Have a professional mechanic look at it. I'm gonna have a professional bike mechanic look at it and see what they think. And if it's fixable for me, I'll fix it myself. If it's something a little more advanced, I'll let them fix it. But I'm confident it's getting fuel. I'm confident it has compression. I don't think it's getting spark, and if the computer's no good, I have to get it replaced. It's better safe than sorry, because I hate to buy a whole new computer and that doesn't work, or there's a problem I haven't seen and that burns out the computer if I manage to get it started. So it's better just to have it. It'll save me money in the long run doing it like this. But I'm just hoping that's what it is. I just paid $200-300 for a new computer, put it into the bike, have it working. The rectifier has to get replaced too, so I'm gonna just go a little more expensive, get the OEM one, put that on there, because the aftermarket one's like the burnout real quick. But that's what I think the two issues are, because the ignition button doesn't work at all. I changed the starter solenoid, everything to it, bro. I checked the wiring for it, bruh. I'm pretty sure it's losing power somewhere, and I think it's in the computer. I don't think the computer's good. I could be wrong. If anybody had this issue before, please let me know, because I did pour gas into each individual one, just a little bit of gas, just to see if it'll do something. It did absolutely nothing. The gas is not igniting, so it's 100% spark. That's how I came to that conclusion. But I will take the spark plugs out and look at the spark plugs before I do anything else, because that's the last step I didn't do. So I'm gonna check the spark plugs, see if they actually work or if anything like that, because it could just be simple as they need to be changed, they don't work no more. But for all four to fail, or for not to get the bike any spark at all, would be crazy. So it has to be something major. Be wrong with it. So that's my conclusion for it. If anybody has like any tips or anything like that, please let me know. The lights and everything work, turn signals work. I checked the dealership mode. I fixed anything like that. It's not the ignition. I literally changed the ignition. It can't be the ignition. I checked the ignition. If anybody has any ideas as to why a 2011 Gsxr 750 isn't getting no spark and just crank at start, y'all ran into a similar issue where your rectifier is gone or somebody did something, let me know. But I think it might be the computer. So yeah, just let me know, bruh, and thanks for watching the video.